Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Cardano. The price line of Cardano has broken out the resistance of the down channel on the daily time frame chart. And this was the idea that I shared for my members at the Patreon. And you can see that the price line just broke out the resistance. And let me show you this chart. And you can see that the price line was moving above the resistance of this down channel, and you can see that the price line entered in this down channel here on 24th of August and broke out the resistance here on 1st of October. And before that we had this recent swing low, and this recent swing low was at $2.02, and there is also another support at $1.90. That is very strong and key support right now for the price line of Cardano. And there was also a bullish divergence on this daily time frame chart. You can see that the price line formed this high, and the next high was formed lower than previous high. But if we take a look at the RSI, below here, below these candlesticks, the RSI formed a lower high, and the next high was formed higher than previous high, but the price line formed lower high than previous high. So there was a hidden bullish divergence, and if I play the chart, then you can see that the price line is still moving above this support zone that is starting from $2.02 and goes to $1.90, and even did not touch this support of $2.02. And our targets as per this down channel can be here. First target can be $2.60, and the next target can be at $2.96. Let me move to the live daily time frame chart, and here we can see that this was the down channel that we were watching, and this was the resistance of the down channel. Let me place this trend line here, and we had the support of this down channel here, and you can see that we had a bounce from here, another major bounce from here, and this was our last bounce before this breakout, and we had several rejections at this resistance line as well. Now after breaking out this triangle, down channel, the price line has also found a support as well, and this is a new support that the price line has found, and this support is coming all the way from here. Now this is the new support which the price line is testing again and again, and recently the price line has tested the support here as well. And here we also have another resistance that the price line has found above this support. So there is another formation of a symmetrical triangle above this above the price line, and you can also see that we also have very nice support of 100 daily simple moving average moving below the support of this symmetrical triangle. Now what can be our target for this symmetrical triangle in case of breakout? If we will have a breakout, then if I place this trend line here, for example, if we will have a breakout from here, then the next target can be $2.83. And in case of breakdown, I'm not expecting that the price line will do that, because we have so many supports. We have a very strong support of this zone, and we also have very nice support of the 100 simple moving average as well, and the support of this symmetrical triangle. And in case of breakdown, for example, our next target can be very down from here, that will be approximately at $1.46. And in case of breakout, our next target can be $1.83 or 85 cents. And for if we take a look at the target again of this down channel, that is still $2.60, and the final target can be very close to $3, that is $2.96. So this was the update so far. I hope that you'll like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing the different trading ideas on the daily basis. You can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.